to my channel. So today we'll see what is snapshot testing and how we can write a snapshot test for our React application. Okay, so friends, I have opened this just website, and here they have quite nicely explained what is snapshot testing. So I will just take you through this. So yeah, as you can see, a typical snapshot test case renders a UI component. Okay, friends. So when in our test case, we first need to render our component that we are testing. Okay, then it takes a snapshot, friends. So after rendering our component, it takes a snapshot. Okay, so in a snapshot, friends, we will be taking snapshots of the HTML code generated by our component. Okay, so as you can see, how that happens, we can just see here. So see this, here in this we have this React test renderer. Okay, so with help of this renderer, we are able to render this particular our link component. Okay, and after that we just use this to JSON method to convert the rendered tree into a JSON. Okay, and then what we will do, we will call this expect tree dot to match snapshot. Okay, so friends, ignore this expect part. Just see that how our this tree looks like. So this is a simple HTML, friends. So this is HTML generated by our this by this component. Okay, so what we do, friends, let's go again here. A typical snapshot test case render UI component. So first we will render as we have rendered here. After that, what we will do, take a snapshot of this HTML code produced after rendering. Okay, and then what we will do, friends, compare it with to a reference snapshot. So file stored alongside the test. So friend, what happens when we do this, write this line, expect tree to match snapshot. What happens when we run this test for the first time, it will create a snapshot file that looks like this. As you can see, it looks like this, and it will save alongside with our code. Okay, and when next time we will run our test, what will happen, uh, it will compare with that the stored file. Okay, it compares it with reference snapshots file stored alongside the test. Okay, then friends, what happens, the test will fail if the two snapshots do not match. Okay, so that and this can result from two scenarios, friends. Okay, so either the change is unexpected or the reference snapshot needs to be updated. So it could be two things: either the change is unexpected, so that might have happened because of some uh, reason, whatever reason, it could be a developer mistake or whatever. So if the change is unexpected, then we will, what we will do, we will revert the change. Okay, so that our test will start passing. Or the change can be expected too. So suppose, friends, tomorrow someone wants to this link URL to point to twitter.com or anywhere else. Okay, so in that case, what will happen is that this will be expected change. So we can what we to do that, we need to update the snapshot. Okay, so that is what it is saying. The reference either the change in unexpected or the reference snapshot needs to be updated to the new version of the UI component. So as friends, I hope you got the idea. We will just write a snapshot test for our application, this counter application. This is a very simple application, friends. So functioning of this application does not matter for this snapshot testing. So what we'll do, we'll just come here. Okay, and as you can see, I have already written a test. So how I will explain you this. So this is our first we will see this our counter component. So friend, this is the counter component for which we are writing. So this has very simple things: handle decrement button, handle increment button. So this is decrement button with minus, this is increment button with plus, and here we see the value of count. Okay, so this is very simple. For this we have just written this test here. So snapshot testing. Now you can see here is that when we render with the help of React testing library, there is this method returned, okay, as fragment. And what this as fragment gives us, friend, it gives us a document fragment. I will hover over this, as you can for to show you that what this actually is. So as you can see, this returns a document fragment. This is the return type. So what is document fragment, friends? So document fragment is as you can think of it as part of our HTML document. So HTML document is HTML file, and you can see document fragment as part of that HTML file or HTML code. Okay, so what happens? This will as fragment will give the part of our React component. Okay, so our React component is this counter. So in our HTML document, it will create the fragment of this counter rendered counter. Okay, so friend, let's go back to the test. Okay, and this will create this, and after that what it will do, it will try to match the snapshot, and in the first time when there will be no snapshot, it will create the snapshot. Okay friends, so here we are. I will just delete this so that you will be able to see when I do it, okay, for the first time. Okay, so I have deleted that. Okay, and let's run the test. Okay, so I will just run the test for this file only. Okay, so I will just copy the relative path npm test and I will provide. Okay friends, notice here that in this counter folder there will be a new folder created named snapshots. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, oh sorry, I copied the path of this wrong file. Okay, so we can do this npm test and again run this. Okay, and now notice friend, notice here, so see this snapshot folder got created, and this document fragment, as you can see friend, this is the document fragment. Okay, and as you can see, this is the HTML code of our rendered component. Okay friends, so this is now stored with our code. Okay, this will also be committed with our code. Okay, so that next time it is available for testing or comparing. Okay, so now let's see how this helps us. So friends, suppose tomorrow someone comes and changes this thing. Okay, this text line left, or even leave along that someone by mistake puts a extra zero here and bit goes to 1000. Okay, and then someone then what will happen friend, when we run our test again, let's do run our test again. uh, okay, let's try to run this in this okay, okay friends. Okay, and as you can see friends, our uh, test has failed. Now we will see why. So see this test failed because snapshot did not match. Okay, snapshot name test counter snapshot testing one. Okay, so uh, ex, as you can see, snapshot and received, so this was earlier and this is the new one. Okay, so this there is a mismatch friends. So how this now how will we fix our test case? Okay, so for fixing our test case, this is very for fixing our test case friend, what we will do, there can be two cases. Either this was done intentionally or by mistake. If this was done by mistake, then we will simply revert what was the earlier value. Okay, so we will test again and we will see that our test has passed. Okay, so friends, as you can see, our test passed. Okay, but suppose friends tomorrow it there someone wants this text line to be left. Okay, and we updated this styles, and after doing this snapshot testing, what happens, our test start failing. Okay, so we know why our test is failing, but what we need to do now is that we need to update the snapshot. So we need to maintain newer a copy of snapshot with the updated UI. Okay, so to do that friends, what we do, we just run this test with this flag. uh, okay, I will try to show you so that okay, so we will give this flag hyphen hyphen and then hyphen u. Okay, this will update the snapshot. Let's see. So see this friend, one snapshot updated. So now our snapshot got updated. Okay, so just one second friend, let me bring back these files. Okay, 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 so okay, so you saw two use cases, that when we need to update our snapshot and when we need to revert our code. Okay, so friends, this was all about snapshot testing. Also you need to remember notice that we need to commit this code together with commit this snapshot file together with our code, so that tomorrow when we will do the testing, snapshot testing again, there will be some reference file present for us to compare to. Okay, so friend, this was the idea behind the snapshot testing. I hope you understand that now understand that um, what is snapshot testing, how to do it, and what is the benefit of doing it. Okay, so friend, okay, so I will end this video here, and please if you like, and you if I was able to explain you that how what about this snapshot testing, then please do like, share and subscribe, so that I will create more videos for you, and you can keep learning. Okay, so friends, thank you.